Okay, so today is going to be a top box versus top box video for the month of March. And yeah, so obviously that is what's going on. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. If you guys are not new, welcome back and thank you for joining us as well. And if for some reason you just managed to click on my video because you were scrolling by and saw some stuff, thank you as well. And welcome to the shenanigans. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out so you can see them. Alright, let's just jump right into top box versus top box. I am going to open this one first just for fun. Let's see what's in here. And so of course first is the top box thing. So yeah, cool. And this month they have all their little things in here again. Let's just start off with, oh, here's what I see. Oh, look, soap. It's a great time to be getting free soap. All right, so this is Pana, I do not know how to pronounce that. This is the goat's milk. This is a Canadian brand. And this is actually a complimentary sample, so this isn't even actually part of the top box this month. This is orchard flower extract soap with goat's milk. So, cool. Perfect timing to get free soap. All right, up next is this here. Okay. And this is Brune's nail polish in the color 03. Let's see what this looks like. It's a nude. I vaguely remember getting exactly the same nail polish. I've already gotten this one in 2 of my other boxes last year. This does not impress me, and it makes me very upset that I would get a repeat from last year. Okay, so then let's take a look at what else I have in here. This is this is what it looks like here. And this is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Okay, let's see if it's purple. So that is what it looks like. It has a purpley tinge to it, but it's not really, it's still kind of gray, but it's not like super dark gray, which is kind of nice. And it smells like a clay mask. Alrighty, so that is 3 sample products so far. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have 2 more products technically. And this is, which one's the English side? Here, okay. So this is the La Roche product. And this is I don't know if it's picking up. This is B5 and this is an anti-wrinkle serum, I think it's called. Bet you it's tiny. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. Okay, so this is 10 milliliters, which isn't bad. This is, yeah, a serum, and let's see what it smells like. It smells like a nice hydrating face serum. So there is that. Not bad for a sample. And I do know that these are pretty darn expensive. This brand's not exactly cheap. And the last one, why does it say Avon on here? That is weird. I didn't realize that there's no way this is Avon. Oh, it is available on Avon. Oh, okay, so this is the cute little pack that I got, and this is from Belief, which we've gotten quite a few of these brands before, and it's got this cute little bag, and this is like the aqua one, I think. So it comes with 2 different samples, and it is the Aqua Bomb and then the True Moisturizer, which I've received both of these already in these boxes before. It is definitely a repeat offender a bunch of times before, but I'm not upset about it because they're really nice. I know that they make them so you have a lot less product than it actually looks like you do. There's only 10 milliliters of product in each of these, so they're tiny. Like you can open it up. There's like this little amount. I love this smell of the Aqua Bomb. The other one smells good too, but the Aqua Bomb one smells the best, and then the other one smells pretty good too. But that's not bad for another sample size. And then I like the little bag it came in. It's cute. All right, so that was box number 1 of my top box. So let's just put this stuff to the side and see what I got in this one and see which one wins. This is again what it looks like. I don't see, oh, yep. Oh, I see something in here. So then of course it has one of these, and then it has this in here too, and this is a Benefit Porefessional Hydration Primer, little piece of paper. So let's see what's in this one. Hate these things. Rain. It's a good thing I have a recycling bin. Okay, obviously let's just pull out this right here. So this is, of course, the Porefessional Hydrating Primer. I was actually looking at this the other day. I thought it was waterproof though, and then when I found out it wasn't, I didn't end up purchasing it. So of course it's like a miniature teeny weeny size. This literally has 3 milliliters in it. This I probably can use twice, but that's the new one. But I'm kind of excited to try this one out. And I see a repeat offender, and this is what it is. I think this is a different color though. The bottom says something else, and it says a base coat. So ta-da! Okay, so it's clear. Thank goodness it's not the same one, because I would have been peeved. I might end up keeping this one. So here's a little bit of a backstory. I never ever keep the nail polishes that I get in any of my boxes because I don't normally use nail polish, and if I do use nail polish, it's gel because I have a machine myself, or I go get my nails done, so I never use regular nail polish. Then I see another offender. This is, of course, the Gentle Clay. Again, I'm not going to open this one up again and do another like thing because it's obviously exactly the same one. So there's number 2 of the offenders, and then ta-da, there is this in here as well. So another one of these, and I have to say I don't hate it because right now it is impossible to buy soap anywhere, so I will take hand soap for sure. And that says also another complimentary sample. And then there is one more product in here, and this is another product we seem to be getting a lot of in our top boxes. Actually, and I've gotten it in my BoxyCharm too. So this is the Maritza Cosmetics. This one is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Code, I think it's called. COD, Code. Code, whatever. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Unfortunately, that is so nude that will blend into my face so much. I'm not even gonna do a swatch because I know for a fact that this lipstick will not look good on me. So before I open it or do anything like that, I'm gonna stick it back in this box, and I'm gonna give it to somebody that I know needs it instead of me. All right, so these are from that box, and the things I'm keeping from this box are actually everything except for the lip one. So there are those 4. This box here, I am not keeping the nail polish. So out of these 5 items, out of these 4 items, it's kind of hard because this one and this one are repeat, so I will use that. And then of course the hand soap, which I'm totally keeping. So if I have to choose between this box and this box, I'm definitely choosing this box. This one totally wins out. All right, well, that was everything in this month's top box versus top box. If you guys want to see a video on maybe me trying everything out makeup related that I've gotten from top box, leave me a comment in the comments below and I will make a video for you guys on that. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!